In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Wise account. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what each choice means, and how to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start on your Wise Home dashboard. Here, pick the specific currency balance you want to top up. This is important because choosing the right currency helps you avoid unnecessary conversion fees. For example, if you're funding a USD balance with dollars, select USD first, so the money lands directly in that balance. Once you've highlighted the correct currency, look to the top right and click Add. This opens the options for bringing funds into Wise. Next, choose External Account. This simply tells Wise that the money will come from outside of Wise, like your bank or a card, rather than moving funds between your existing Wise balances. Now enter the amount you want to add. Take a second to double-check the number and the currency. Wise will usually display any fees, minimums, or limits right on this screen, so review those before moving on. It's a quick way to make sure the amount makes sense for you and that you're comfortable with the costs. Next, pick how you want to pay. You can use a bank transfer, a debit or credit card, or SWIFT, depending on what's supported for your location and currency. A local bank transfer is typically the most cost-effective, though it may take longer to arrive. A debit card tends to be fast and convenient, with fees clearly shown. Credit cards can also be quick, but some banks treat these as cash-like transactions and may add extra charges. SWIFT is useful for international wires and currencies, or countries that don't support local transfers, though it can come with higher fees and longer processing times. Choose the option that best balances speed, cost, and availability for you. Click Continue. Wise will now display the exact details you need to finish the transfer based on the method you selected. For bank transfers or SWIFT, you'll see account numbers, routing or IBAN details, and a reference. Use those details precisely in your banking app so the money is matched to your Wise balance. For card payments, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the secure checkout. That's it. Once you've finished the transfer using the provided details, Wise will process the money and add it to the currency balance you selected. Processing times can vary by method, and you'll see the funds appear once everything clears. And there you go. Your Wise balance is topped up and ready to use.